Are you looking for a way to write a very, very good, very professional cover letter or a proposal which you want to use for your job, like a job proposal, or you want to write an a job application, like, and you're looking for a very professional one, how you can write it, like the details, probably a template you can actually edit to something like that. Then I have the perfect way you can actually get a cover letter easily without you getting without you be stressing yourself or something. Probably you're working on Fiverr, you know you need a cover letter or a application letter or something like that. Then I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So if you like my video, click on the like button by clicking on thumbs up. You know the thumbs up down below. Just click on it, you get, and click on smash the subscribe button, you get, if you don't want to miss out, and click on the notification bell to get notified when I drop new videos on my channel. You don't want to miss out on any of them. You get what I'm saying? So let's jump into it. So right now we're actually going to be using ChatGPT. It's actually a AI. You can see I've been using ChatGPT for a lot of things. I actually use ChatGPT to write my best friend a birthday quote. You get, it's actually a very long one. So probably a lot, some of them were actually looking like, yeah, it took his time to write this. Like, you know what I'm saying. So you can actually write, is this a card code. I've been using ChatGPT for a lot of things, even solving riddles and so on and so forth. It's actually a very useful AI stuff. So right here we're actually going to be asking ChatGPT just a question. Right. So let's see. We are going to be asking him to provide a very professional application letter for, let's say, for a particular job. Let's say a graphic design job. Say provide a very good a very good letter for a graphic design job. You get, graphic designer job. You get what I'm saying? So right, let's see. So I've made a mistake. He's not going to, yeah, do anything. So you need to like check it and read it up and let it like um and like changed some mistakes. Like you need to edit some things. Like there, I am manager. Like you need to put the name, number of years you, this is the company's name. So you need to like edit some things, and this is actually a very good one. You see, it's not even that bad to get. So this, if you want a graphic design, let's say for a coding job, let's say a UI UX job, probably you want to code something for a UI/UX job. Yeah. So let's search on that. So that's actually how it looks like. You see, it's actually generating. See, you can actually like use this chat GBT for very anything you want to get. I use chat GBT a lot, like for almost like things I don't want to stress myself into, or I generate ideas from it. Like probably I'm working on something, then I actually need more ideas. Then I actually go to ChatGPT, and it's actually going to give me more ideas. So I will pack everything up and just put into one. And it's actually a very great way you can actually use ChatGPT to do very great things, like great, very, very great things. You get, so that's how you actually get your cover letter, application letter, and everything easily without you stressing yourself. You see, just type, pa, 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 and everything is done. If you like this video, just click on the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more um things and the ideas I'm actually going to be sharing you. Thank you very much for that.